Okay, my friends, so welcome to the Forex Extreme Pro dashboard. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works and how you can use it to help in your trading. Okay, so what it actually does is we use three popular indicators currently that will regularly be updated, and we'll put new indicators as we see fit. But what it actually does, it scans, using these indicators, it scans the whole market across all assets, all time frames, and gives us the value on those the RSI values in the chart in front of us on those time frames, and it actually adds all this up, which what I've got set in the RSI is that when it goes above 600, this will flash red, start going red, which indicates to me a possible selling opportunity. And when it goes down below 200 on the bottom, it will start going green, indicating a possible buying opportunity. Okay, so you can see that on the lower time frames, the Euro JPY is starting to go up to the extremes here and turning red, indicating a possible short-term selling opportunity. Okay, so if we look at the indicator settings, okay, this is the indicator settings for the RSI dashboard, and you can flick through between different dashboards here to select the indicator you want to use. I use the RSI and the stochastic indicators dashboards. Okay, so my critical upper level on the RSI is 80, and my critical lower level is 20. Okay, and my total critical upper level, which is the important one, is 600, and total critical lower level is 200. You can change that as you please. Okay, and I like to use this indicator with my support and resistance trading. You can use it with any type of trading. It's a very powerful tool to gauge the whole market, strength of the market, and possible extremes of the markets. Also, to note, when you see values starting to go above 450 to around 550, especially 450, they start breaking above 450. It is a good time to look to buy for a continuation of a trend up, possibly a higher time frame trend up. And alternatively, when it goes below 400 and starts staying below 400, it's good to look for a sell for a possible trend continuation. Okay, that is in the RSI. Next, you can see here on this dashboard is the stochastic dashboard, and using this in conjunction with the RSI dashboard, you can see that the AUD JPY is a trade, very nice trade here that is lining up. It's approaching the 600 critical extreme, and you can see it is well in the extreme across all time frames on the stochastic dashboard. So what I'd do now, I'd go over to the charts, and I would look for a possible trading opportunity. Now with the default X Extreme Pro indicator, you got the MACD SR indicator. So what you can actually do is use the MACD SR indicator to get into this trade with a divergent signal. A divergent signal is a very powerful signal that is one of the most powerful signals that professional traders look for, that there a divergence between price and certain indicators. A MACD divergence through testing, years of testing, is by far the most powerful indicator divergence signal when it's at support and resistance area and key market extremes. So what we're doing here, we're using the dashboard on the RSI dashboard. The stochastic dashboard is indicating to us that we are approaching market extremes on the Aussie JPY. So what we'll do, we'll just simply draw a line onto the chart at a possible support and resistance area. You can see a higher time frame support and resistance there on the AUD JPY. Okay, so what we can do now is simply go to the indicator, which is the FXAS MACD SR indicator, and go to inputs, and you'll see the inputs you can select here. Okay, so the signal we want to take is a classic divergence, and a threshold, we'll say around 40 pips threshold, and the time frames you want to look for to send a signal on. Okay, so I would say if we're looking at the 4-hour here, I would say a 1 hour, a 30-minute, and a 15-minute signal. Okay, If you want to use the pop-up or the push alert for getting signals sent directly to your phone, you can just select true here. The setup for that is in the members area, how to do that, and also an email alert also. Okay, so what it will actually do when a signal happens within 40 pips of this line, it will it will send a signal to our phones or email. Okay, so also what we need to do inside the line is put in RES, so the indicator knows to search for a resistance signal at the RSI line. Okay, so it's pretty simple. That was it, and that's basically how one of the methods I would use to use the dashboards for. Again, it measures volatility. It's telling me the most volatile pairs, the trending pairs, all in a glance on 2 different dashboards. You can use it for indices, like I have here, stock indices. You can use it for any asset. If you look at the dashboard here in the stochastic, okay, my stochastic extreme levels are 80. Usually, I need to change that. It's usually 90 and 10. Okay. And similar story, 600 critical upper, critical level, 200 below, similar. Okay, so and you can see pairs here that are above 600. Okay, so AED JPY is okay. So very, very powerful tool. Okay, the amount of time you can save using this indicator is, instead of going through each time frame, looking for the volatility, looking to where the indicators are in each time frame. From the one dashboard, from the one screen, you can instantly gauge the volatility of the market. You can instantly gauge critical market turning points, critical market breakout points, and critical market extremes. So it's a very, very powerful indicator. And combined with the MACD SR indicator, you have a very, very powerful trading system here. So hope you like it. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxas.com, and thank you for watching.